Hello there and welcome to Christmas in Bangkok. In this video I'm going to show you how to celebrate Christmas in Bangkok in 2025. Check out the best Christmas tree in Bangkok. I'm going to talk about Christmas markets, present shopping, home decoration. I'm going to talk about the Christmas events and live shows in Bangkok, as well as Christmas Eve and the big day itself, at home and out in the city. So guys, if you're looking for Christmas markets, you won't find the same as in Europe. So you're not going to find these kind of markets here for a month, big open market. Normally you'll find the small scale ones outside the shopping malls. There are actually quite a few Christmas markets, but generally they're just on for 1 or 2 days in certain areas. So check out some of the embassies. Usually each of the European embassies, they have quite a good Christmas event in the weeks before Christmas. The very best of which is at the Goethe Institute. Here you can find a traditional German Christmas market. They've got all the stalls. They've got traditional German food. You'll find sausages here, pretzels, and of course, you're going to find mulled wine and the main attraction, German beer. Check out the video at the top of the screen if you're interested in watching this. I did a video about this one a few weeks ago. Today I'm heading to one at the Rembrandt Hotel. This is called Hope Fair. Some cakes over here. Christmas croissants, might get one of those. Panettone here. So they've got the main hall here, and it's absolutely massive, this one. It's really bustling at the moment. Hey, cat. So you give me your food here. You got your roast beef, mashed potatoes. Looking good. Picked up some of these guys. Look at this. Real English cranberry scones. Not had scones in a long time. So we're just going to try some of the roast beef. Looking very good, this one. Yeah, it's really good, that. Absolutely delicious. For shopping, check out some of the amazing shopping malls in Bangkok. At the start of November, a lot of the Christmas trees start going up. You'll find loads of different types of presents in the shopping malls. A lot of the shopping malls also have markets outside, like mini Christmas markets, so you might be able to pick up a few Christmas-related items there. Check out Central World. At the moment they've got the Disney market. First port of call if you need any Christmas decorations in Bangkok should be Sampen Market. This is an absolute treasure trove of shops that change seasonally, so you'll be able to get tons of decorations here. Head right to the centre of the alley and you'll find a couple of massive Christmas shops. What costs you one item in a mall, you can decorate your whole place here. It's chaotic and cramped, but it's honestly one of the best places to get Christmas decorations in the city. Pop into one of your local macros. They've not got a huge selection, but they've got like all the essentials, tinsels, baubles for Christmas trees, lots of random Santa ornaments. If you're looking for Christmas decorations, guys, something a bit different, check out this Flying Tiger Copenhagen in Hemisphere. They've got quite a nice selection of like kitchen type Christmas items and some decorations here too. it comes to Christmas events, guys, get onto these websites and check out what's going on. The first one is Expats in Bangkok. They've got a lot of different events in different categories, although overwhelmingly you will find a lot of the Christmas events around Bangkok are going to be very much meal based at this time of year. Also, you've got bkmagazine.com, and again here you can see a good comprehensive list on what's going on in Bangkok, and they give you quite a good description of the event too. If you're spending Christmas with your kids in Bangkok, check out BKK Kids. This site's got loads of workshops and events for kids to attend in the Christmas period. One thing I definitely recommend, guys, is the Vijit Chowpraya light show. Although it's not strictly a Christmas event, it's an amazing display of drones and fireworks. So here are the dates, and I recommend that you watch them at the Memorial Bridge, and they've got a couple of dates here just before Christmas. You might as well go to the biggest one if you can. So I'd go to the one on the 20th December, that's with 1,000 drones, and there'll be fireworks there too. If you're interested in that, check out the video above, and this is a full breakdown of the drone show. Christmas Eve is actually a brilliant night to be out in Bangkok, especially if you're European, because for a lot of people this is the main Christmas celebration, albeit on completely the wrong day. That means loads of events happening across the city. I'd definitely check out some of the big hotels. Most of them run proper Christmas buffets on the 24th, basically the same as their Christmas Day ones. A boat cruise is also a great shout. Every boat on the river will be doing a big Christmas party on Christmas Eve, so the atmosphere will be class. You'll usually get fireworks as well, which just makes the whole thing even more festive. Also, it's great to visit the pubs. They go all in on decorations this time of year. I'll be adding some more of these into the video, so check out the Christmas Day section at the end, where I'll include a bunch of pubs where you can celebrate at. So next up I'm going to show you 3 places where you can get everything to cook your own Christmas dinner. Usually I do this every year, so these are the top places to go where you can put together all the things you need. First and possibly best place to buy your Christmas shopping in Bangkok is Villa Market. They've got a lot of branches around Bangkok, and you can pick up lots of international food here. So this is the first place you want to start if you're cooking your own Christmas dinner. So here you'll be able to get Christmas crackers, guys, candy canes, Christmas biscuits over here. You can also find your tins of quality streets. These ones are 610 baht. Interesting to see what they are in England. They've got advent calendar. For me, this is the best you're going to find in Bangkok for Christmas type food. They've even got Christmas pudding here from Coles, mince pies, fruit cake, some chutney. Also, they've got like, you know, panettone too for, you know, if you're European, Italians especially. Panettone is becoming a lot more popular out here for Christmas. Small boxes of quality streets here. And again, they've got Christmas hampers up here too. Bit old-fashioned like, but I don't know if anyone still buys them. Also, they've got a pretty decent cheese selection here. Nice bit of blue cheese, brie. We've got a lot of fruits here in Villa Market, and also a decent vegetable selection too. Now, I wouldn't really buy from here personally, because you can just get the same thing for like a quarter of the price in like the local markets, but you might be able to find a few items here that you can't get in other places. They've got some hams, if you want a nice piece of ham, sausages here. A lot of like meats like salami, chorizo. I've had this cider marmalade baked ham before, it's quite delicious. For Christmas I'm much more into beef myself, but they have the big butterball turkeys here. So yeah, come and check this out if you're wanting a turkey. I really don't see turkeys in that many places in Bangkok. We've also got like a butcher's at the back here, so you'll be able to get meat. We've got quite a lot of Australian meat here too. Some profiteroles here, some eclairs. We've also got a very decent wine and spirit selection here, guys. Also for beers. So all these stops, guys, are relatively central, so it's pretty easy for you if you're wanting to go between them. So, you know, in a couple hours you can do all your Christmas shopping if you go into these places. So next up we're heading to IKEA. So as you come in, you've got the food market on the right hand side. You've got gingerbread house here, gingerbread trees. Going mad with the ginger today, ginger snaps. Here we go, this is your lingerie jam here. They've also got the meatballs. I'm not, I'm not sure if you eat meatballs at Christmas, perhaps. Again, here you've got some ham, a few good-looking cakes here. I'm not really sure what we eat in Scandinavia for Christmas dinner. If there's anyone watching, just drop us a comment like what you have for Christmas dinner. We're quite interested, really. We've also got several branches of M&S food. So here you'll be able to get like your snack type things like your crackers, biscuits, cheese twists over here, shortbread, some chocolates. So there's not a huge selection of food, but this is more for like snacky types. They've got some hampers and things like this. So when it comes to Christmas Day in Bangkok, if I am going out in the city, I like to either go to a pub or I like to go to a hotel and have a buffet. So here's 3 pubs and 3 hotels where you can go and spend Christmas. First up we have the Old English here. They're offering 3 courses for 995 baht. It's quite a nice little pub right in the centre of Bangkok. The second option is the Londoner. Now it's a little bit further out, but it's a gastro pub, so you've got like good food here and quality selection of ales too. The third is the Robin Hood, and that's close to Prompong BTS in central Bangkok. This is a very popular pub with expats, and they also do Christmas lunch here for 995 baht. When it comes to hotels, one place you can go is the Pullman in the King Power, and they have a buffet for 3,590. I really like Pullman hotels. I think the quality of service and the food and drinks are very good there. You also have the Grand Hyatt Erdogan. They're doing a buffet there for 3,300 on Christmas Day. This is a beautiful hotel near Siam. The final option is the Peninsula here. This is a really nice riverside restaurant just in the west of Bangkok. So the disadvantage is the price is a lot higher than others. This is like 5,500 for the buffet, but on the upside you don't have to deal with riffraff like me there, because I won't be paying that for a buffet. So guys, I hope you found the guide useful. I hope you have a great Christmas in Bangkok or wherever you are in the world. Now, I won't be in Thailand for the Christmas period, but I'll still be posting videos, so stay tuned on here, guys. So thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year.